Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. I am Namrata and today we will learn how to create IDQ Informatica Data Quality Services from the admin console. The agenda of this video would be to understand what are the basic IDQ services, what are the dependencies between these services. This will be followed by a short demonstration of creating the services from the admin console. The first service is called the Model Repository Service, abbreviated as MRS. The model repository stores metadata such as data objects, mappings, workflows, profiles, etc. and the model repository service maintains this model repository. Other application services such as Informatica Developer Tool, Analyst Tool, or the Data Integration Service make use of this model repository to store metadata. This is called as a design time MRS. The next service that we have is called a data integration service, or in short the DIS. While the MRS stores the information, the DIS is responsible to run jobs such as profiles, mappings, and workflows. It performs all kinds of data integration tasks. This is called as a runtime MRS. Next up, we have the content management service called as CMS. The content management service takes care of the reference data that we create or use when creating mappings or workflows. This is dependent on the MRS service to be created. Next up, we have the analyst service. While the developer tool which we use to connect to the MRS is a thick client, the analyst service maintains the thin web-based client called the analyst tool. We mainly use the analyst tool to create business glossaries, profiles, and scorecards. And the last service is called the search service. Search service manages search operations in the analyst tool and the business glossary desktop. We can use one search service for one MRS. The dependencies between these IDQ services is depicted in the screenshot here. We create a node on top of which we create a MRS. The content management service, DIS, and search service are directly dependent on the MRS. The analyst service is dependent on both the MRS and the DIS to function. Let me give a quick demonstration on creating all these 5 services. For the purpose of this demo, I'm making use of a 10.4 domain. Let's start with creating the MRS service. We need to assign a license to it and the primary node. If required, you can also assign a backup node to it. Making use of an Oracle database. Since we are creating a new MRS, I'm selecting that there's no content exists under it and I want to create new content. This will automatically check the enable service option also. The model repository service has been created. We'll go ahead and create the data integration service. Select a license, the appropriate node, and here we'll associate the model repository service with this DIS. Click on next. We'll select Enable Service. Next. Depending on whether we're using operating system profiles, we can configure these configurations. For now, we let them be as it is. The same applies for the cache connections. I'm selecting all the modules here: mapping service, profiling service, web service, workflow orchestration service. Here we require a profile warehouse database to select the profile contents and profile results. Next, I'm also selecting a workflow database. I already have this connection created earlier. The workflow database stores the metadata of the workflows, and click on Finish. We have a DIS created. We have warning messages in red saying that profile warehouse contents and workflow database contents do not exist. We'll go ahead and create them. The DIS has been successfully created. We'll go ahead and create the content management service. Select the appropriate license and a node. The DIS created in the previous steps. Same as for the MRS. Since we use the content management service for reference data, we also need a reference connection created and associate that connection with this content management service. Select Enable Service. The content management service has been created successfully. We'll go ahead and create the search service. Select a license and the node. We will require to associate search service also with the model repository service. Select Enable Service. Finish. The search service is available now. We'll go ahead and create the last service, which is the analyst service. License, node name, enable service. Select the model repository. And here the data integration service. The analyst service has also been created successfully. We have successfully finished our demo. While in this video we have created the IDQ services after installing a domain, we can also create these services while installing the domain. You can take a look at the following link for the video. You can also follow the application service guide, which talks about each of these services and also directs you how to install them from the admin console. Do let us know for any further questions on the below links. Thank you for your time. Have a great day ahead.